Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm coming to you today, this evening, with an unboxing. I'm keeping myself busy by looking for sales, playing with my makeup, different looks, and like I said, staying consistent because that's what gets me through things. I needed a pick-me-up and this was on sale. So as I said in my last video, I'm getting into the leather a lot heavier than I was before. So I had continuously looked at this website looking for something that was just all leather, but in the style that I wanted. There were so many styles actually that I wanted, and who knows, I may go back and get more. The sale is going on until the end of the month. So, but I did find something, and I was excited. So yeah, today it was here. So let's get into it. The box. You know, if I say sale, I ain't talking about LV or Chanel. So it is a Coach bag. And this is their wrap with their logo. Here it is in the dust bag. And it's my baby. There's the back of the baby. And here's the side. So yeah, these colors are me. And I will rock these colors in the summer. That does not bother me a bit. So this is a Parker, and it's made of the signature leather, and it has rivets. It's calf leather and green leather. And there's genuine snake skin on the side. So, and it has a double chain strap here. So the interior. This is the interior. That's the front pocket. Take this out. Oh, there's my, cannot let my doggy get that. Cannot let my doggy get that. So, here's the interior. And it has the middle zipper. Has an inside pocket and an outside front and back pocket. So there's the little slots in the middle. And this will hold my things. It's not too small. And so this right here is the snake skin, and the colors of it were what really got me going. So I do like the mix of the colors here. I really do. And you can feel that leather. That feels so good. So yeah, I'm impressed. I am impressed. I can fit what I need to in here. I know this already. Little tag, little Coach tag. And as you can see, there's the logo in there. But it's not screaming or anything. So this, I will do a what's in my bag with this, because I can't obviously put the kitchen sink in like I do with my lock bag. I have the kitchen sink in there right now. What this chain looks like. There you go. The measurements for the bag are 10 by 7 by 4. But thank you for watching my unboxing, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.